Hey viewers, got this Pentair Mastertemp 400, and the trouble I'm having is I can't get the off switch to work. And I don't know if you can see this, but the temperature is showing in there, so that means the system is on. The pump, the heater's not on or working, just the unit is on, and I can't seem to shut it off. The other controls seem to work, and I talked to Pentair and they seem to think it was this membrane pad here, so we're going to go ahead and change that out. The first thing we need to do is remove these side panels. So we're going to take off the front panel. There's one on the back that we have to remove in order to get the top off, and then turn it upside down so we can unplug this from the circuit board. So we'll get started on this right now. Okay, so we got the front and rear panel off, and what we're going to do now is I was looking here and it looks pretty dusty, so I'm going to go ahead and get my compressor turned on and blow this out before I do anything else. After I get that done, I'm going to go ahead and shut the power off, and probably should have done that first, but we're staying away from everything electrical in here. So anyway, we'll get that blown out and we'll start it up again. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the compressor to fill up here, I'm going to go ahead and shut the power off. On this particular circuit breaker here, they have the pump and the heater tied in together, which is a good idea, so that way you don't start to run the pump with the filter, or run the heater with the pump off. So anyway, I'm going to have to shut off the pump to the pool, and we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, well, that's off. We'll go ahead and shut off this breaker. And now you can see we don't have the number on there, so the power's off. And we'll just wait for the compressor to fill up there. We'll blow this out and then get started on this. Okay, so we got this blown out somewhat here. What we're going to do next is we got both panels off, got the power shut off, and we're going to go ahead and take off the top now. There's some wing nuts right there. There's 4 of those, of course, and we'll go ahead and unscrew those and then get the lid off and fold it around and unplug this thing. Okay, I'm just keeping all the nuts and screws and stuff in here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull the top off now. I'm just using the side panel to hold it up there. Here's the ribbon connection here. I'm going to go ahead and unplug that. There we go. Get that undone. Flip this around now again. And supposedly this is the membrane pad, and it just sticks on here, so we're going to go ahead and start on peeling it. And here's where the ribbon comes through. And we got that off. Okay, here's the new one here. And before we put that on, I'm going to go ahead and clean this off really well. By the way, I got this new one, replacement one on Amazon for about $54. And the number on this part is 472610, Z as in zebra. and again about 54 bucks. So we'll go ahead and get this cleaned off here. So I'm using a little simple green, and it's kind of not swapping it too bad. There's no residual on there. We got it all off. And now we're going to get the backing off of here. It's just stuck on there. There we go. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put the ribbon through. And I'll try and get this all lined up here. Get that corner in first. Get the edge on there. Go around and get the edges there first. Don't want to press too hard because of the circuitry in there. Just kind of rub it on. Okay, I'll get this flipped over. Okay, so the ribbon didn't push all the way through, so I couldn't get the plug to plug in. So what I'm going to have to do is remove the circuit board to get at it. There's 4 small screws that hold the circuit board on, so we're going to have to take those off first to get at it, to get it off. Okay, what I want to show you here was that what I didn't do, that the ribbon was stuck to the tape to the back of the pad here. So I had to peel it off of there so I get more ribbon through. So make sure that you peel that off of there first, the ribbon as far as it'll go, and then pull it through. So you may have to take the circuit board off for this after all. So we'll go ahead and get this stuck on again. Okay, and then we'll get the circuit board back on. Okay, so we've got the board screwed back on, got the ribbon snapped into place here. Just slides right on. You can see that. There's like 6 pegs. And it just slides right on there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this back on here. Okay, so I got the back cover on. I turned on the breaker, and let's take a look here. And there were some numbers on there, and we'll turn it on. So you can see we got the number, and then off. The button off button's now working. So that's how you change the membrane pad. Hope that helps. A couple things. Yeah, you may need like a little mirror if you don't have good access all around your heater, which I don't have in the back. I could have used a mirror to look at the screws, so I'm gonna put the screwdriver in there. Just a little thing, but anyway, that's it. Hope this helps.